I need to step back. Constantly online, causing me setbacks. Ooh. Every day see so many people doing the things you do, and they're doing it better too. Whoa. It's like, why should I even try when there's always some other guy who's way ahead of you, but makes it look easy? Why would they need me? Oh, I hear it now. I'm just being needy. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. That's really, really cool for you. Yeah, everything you do is cool. It's kind of unbelievable. It's also unachievable. Yeah, almost inconceivable. I'll never do it like you do. And I know I'll grow in a host force of me, but self-doubt comes easy, and I've tried almost everything, but it just hasn't worked yet. I try not to envy you, to get angry. You do it better than me. I try not to hate myself, to lose confidence, but you always do it better than me. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. Ooh, I hate comparison, cause it makes me feel lesser than striving for perfection, thinking somebody will see me then. No, don't get me wrong, really want everybody to succeed, but can we start with me? Like, why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Wish someone could redesign me, to not have this doubt to find me. Why was it her and not me? Why was it her and not me? Envy is gonna blind me. Why was it her and not me? Better than me. Try not to hate myself, lose confidence. I just wanna be loved like you. I just want them to see me too. Just wanna be the one they choose. Yeah, I just wanna be loved. He smiles wide, cause he's the center of attention now, and he feels good about it. And she takes a bow, cause she's the center of attention now, and she feels good about it. But I'm avoiding eyes every time that I'm out, cause it's scary being seen in daylight. Like if they're looking close, then maybe they might see right through me, see right through me. And I don't know why I just can't have it, what everybody seem to take for granted. Wondering if I'm from another planet, somewhere far away. I might as well be on the moon, probably be as confused as any other afternoon, freaking out here in my living room. I might as well be on the moon, never really get used to the things that everybody else do. I might as well be on the moon. There if they're looking close, then maybe they might see right through me, see right through me. Yeah. And I don't know why I just can't have it. What everybody seem to take for granted. Wondering if I'm from another planet, somewhere far away. I might as well be on the moon. Probably be as confused as any other afternoon. Freaking out here in my living room. I might as well be on the moon. Never really get used to the things that everybody else do. I might as well be on the moon. Might as well be on the moon. Just like something's got a hold on me. Don't know why it won't let go of me. Always really getting so lonely. Feeling like this. Feels like something's got a hold on me. Don't know why I wanna go. Wanna be. Always getting so lonely. Feeling like this. Feels like something's got a hold on me. Don't know why I wanna go. Wanna be. Always getting so lonely. Feeling like this. Feels like something's got a hold on me. Don't know why it won't let go.
Alright y'all, so I'm obviously done styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Kisslove Hair Shop. You Kisslove for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their Kinky Straight 360 upgraded pre-everything 250% density 24-inch with kinky edge wig. Okay, so you guys know when you're dealing with your girl, like literally they'll send me some talking points and I can't remember that, so I'm just gonna read what they sent. Okay, so what they have on there is it's pre-everything for you, just for your quick and easy installation. It says pre-cut all around 360 lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline with natural kinky edges, invisible crystal stripe against the cap according to your head size, anti-slip elastic band, safe and anti-falling, 360 lace support, versatile styling options including high ponytails, claw clip and updos. All right y'all, so that is basically all the details and specs that I see. I don't think, let me see, they may have, but I don't know if they sent me a, yes. So I have a direct link to the unit, and I'm gonna go ahead and read to you guys what's on that direct link. So it says 4C wig, upgraded 360 lace kinky wig, straight human hair wig with kinky edges. So this unit is available in 12 to 34 inches. As I stated, they sent me 24, and it is available in 180, 250 and 150% densities. It also says it's up, you can get it in either upgraded everything 360 wig, or you can get the classic 360. So once again, they're saying that it is pre-everything, and they really wanted to focus on that. Like it's pre-bleached, it's pre-tweezed, it's pre-cut, and it's 360. And they also have these drawstrings in the back, and I'm gonna insert a clip or something of me putting it in an updo. I wouldn't normally wear an updo. I'm gonna just keep it a buck with y'all. Now granted, if I go to work or something like that and I have on long hair, just so happen to have long hair at work, which I don't recommend, okay? But if I do, I keep a clip with me and just tie it up, throw that clip on, and it ain't about being cute, okay? But with these type of units, you can wear updos easily without applying any adhesive, because now they have made that little drawstring method. Now normally with the drawstring units, I have to cut the lace. I didn't have to do it with this one. I was able to tuck it, and then literally I had to apply adhesive. I will also insert a clip of what this unit looks like without any adhesive, but I had to use adhesive because I have very large ears, and honey, I'm just gonna keep it a buck with y'all. I don't feel like they make wigs for us. I don't feel like the wigs are made for these yals, honey. Okay, so I have to make it do what it do in order to have this area laying down. Now initially I was going to use the tape, but I wasn't sure how the tape would hold up with the updo, but they did also supply me with some tape. It's just like when I put it on and kind of moved it a little bit, automatically came up, and I was like, nope, child, I'm gonna have to use the adhesive. So that's what I decided to use, and that is why. Okay, so the whole selling point, in my opinion, to this unit is the fact that it's a 360 and it is drawstring. As I said, I will show you guys that later. But also with the lace, like, honey, I don't know if you see lace, but you shouldn't see no lace, honey. Okay, now you guys know sometimes I struggle because I do wear I wear a dark foundation, but I wear even darker bronzer, especially here lately because I'm out of my other bronzers. So sometimes it can leave a line of demarcation. That's not the lace fault, that's the Chrissy fault. It does say apply powder. I didn't use powder, I instead used some lace tint. I have a link to it down below if I can remember. If I don't have it down there and you guys are interested in it, just comment down below and I'll send you the link to it. But I used that and just put it on there, and I feel like it works just as well as bleaching the knots. Now granted, this wig did come pre-bleached knots, but it was mostly like slightly bleached knots, if you know what I mean. And yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, honey, there are none of the things with this wig. It is a kinky straight wig. I did not expect any other things. It does hold heat. I will say every time I was flattering on this unit, it was like, it does hold heat, so I want you guys to keep that in mind. And as far as it being big head friendly, in my opinion, it is. If you do have ears like mine, you will probably have to cut the lace to like around the ear area to make it work. But like I said, I didn't have to do it, but if you're kind of struggling with that, you may have to. And yeah, I guess that is pretty much it. If you're interested in my pros and cons as well as a full 360, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so you know I like to start with the cons because I like to end on a high note, and my con with this unit is going to be that it's a 13x4 girl, and like the struggle was real up here, okay? Like the struggle was struggling. So yeah, that is like a common con for me. I'm not a huge fan of 13x4. I guess it wouldn't be a 30, it's a 360x4. Does that make sense? Anyways, honey, it's only gonna go back 4 inches, okay? And then you're gonna hit weft, and you're gonna be looking at weft, and I am paranoid that my weft is showing even right now as I talk to you guys, okay? So just be mindful of that. That is gonna be my con. My pros is the fact that this is a kinky straight. You guys know I live for a kinky straight, and honey, I live for these natural edges, especially on a kinky straight wig, because I feel like it looks super realistic. Like, y'all cannot tell me this ain't my hair, girl. Okay, you cannot tell me this ain't my hair. I love how realistic this hair looks, and like I said, the kinky edges add to that, so I really love that. I also love that it's a 360 wig that has the drawstring straps. I'm loving that for me, and the fact that, in my opinion, this wig is one of the most beginner friendly 360 wigs you can get, because you don't have to cut no lace and there's not a whole lot of extra work to do. And I love that for me, because it's also, if it's beginner friendly, it means it's lazy girl friendly, and as you guys know, your girl is lazy. Okay, so yeah, those are all my pros with this wig. Alright y'all, so yes, obviously I would recommend this wig, honey. Didn't you hear my pros? You heard my pros, sis. So yes, I would recommend this unit. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys this full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". This is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you are feeling it, if it's a look, it's a vibe to y'all. Sound off down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Kisslove, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helton Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye. Disastrous beauty, change up your look daily. It's disastrous.